How to create QQ account. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I'm showing you how to go ahead and do this. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now first things first, right off the bat, you cannot go ahead and do this outside China. So in order to have a QQ account, you need to go ahead and have a VPN on your devices. For example, if you're using something like iOS, Android, Windows, Linux, Mac OS, you need to have a VPN service in order to register to QQ. Once inside, you can just go ahead and click on your specific devices right here and you will be able to download their application. If you're using something like Android, you want to click on Android. Now from here, all you have to do is to go ahead and click on this button and you will be able to install QQ application on your specific devices. And once you have opened QQ, you can now go ahead and register to QQ. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.